In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit General Management, Language and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Lastly, after accessing text correction, use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it, and go back to your keyboard to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!